Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
As you make purchases for the company, it is important to know to which account you apply credits and to which account you apply debits. If you are using an accounting software application, the handling of the debits and the credits is usually taken care of for you. If you're using a manual method, then you will need a better understanding of how accounts are affected by purchase transactions in order to record the entries correctly. When you make a purchase by check, you will credit the checking account, decreasing the cash in the checking account. You then debit the appropriate expense account or accounts, increasing the expenses. Ensure you attribute the correct amounts to the correct expense accounts. If you follow the rule about writing down the expense categories when you make purchases, you should have no problem selecting the correct expense account or accounts. If you make a purchase with petty cash, the entry is almost the same as if you paid by check. Any receipts paid with cash should have that fact noted, along with what expense accounts the receipt affects. When you enter the cash payment, you will credit the petty cash account for the amount spent. Then you attribute the correct amount or amounts to the correct expense account or accounts to balance the transaction. If you use a credit card to make a purchase, it is a bit different from making a purchase with cash or a check. The expenses are recorded in the same way. You debit the appropriate expense account or accounts, increasing the expenses. However, you then apply the credit to the credit card account, which is a liability account. This then increases the amount owed on that credit card. Later, when you receive the credit card bill for the amounts incurred, you pay the credit card bill. At that point, you debit the credit card liability account for the same amount paid and credit the source of payment, such as the checking account, for the same amount.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.